Welcome to my channel. Here we'll be talking about scales, and I want to focus on the scales that we need to construct or that we can construct. So, and those scales, we have plane scales, we have diagonal scales, we have vernier scales, we have we have comparative scales, and we also have scale of chords. So, and here for the SSC or WAEC or NECO, so we are only focus on three scales or three constructed scales. I'm talking about plane scales, diagonal scales, and scale of chords. So those are the three that we do focus on based on the curriculum or the scheme of work. Okay. um and here I'll be starting with plane scales, as you can see on the screen. So plane scale is a scale that we construct, and we also construct diagonal scale. We also construct scale of chords. For this plane scale that we have here, as I wrote here, that plane scales represent either two units or a unit and its subdivision. Plane scales represent either two units or a unit and its subdivision. So when we talk about units in technical drawing, as you know, in physics, we are talking about centimeters, millimeters. We are talking about meters, decimeters, kilometers, and hectometer, and so on. So those are the units that we are talking about. Now, for the plane scale, so we use plane scale to show maximum of two units of measurement. Maximum of two units of measurement, it can be one, but the maximum is two. So as we have in this simple statement, that we used to represent two units or a unit and its subunit. So it means that I can use a plane scale so to depict or to show centimeters and millimeters, or decimeters and centimeters, or meters and decimeters. So those are the unit, and as I said, that we use plane scale to show maximum of two units of measurement, as we have in this simple statement. And here I said note that 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter, as we know, and we also have that 10 centimeters is also equal to 1 decimeter, and 1 decimeter is equal to 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we know that already. Now, when we come to the construction of plane scales or construction of scales generally, because what I'm going to say here now, it has to do with all the types of scale that you want to construct, except diagonal scale. Except plane scale of chords. Except the scale of chords. So when we are to construct a plane scale, a diagonal scale, a comparative scale, a vernal scale, we have to make use of this information that I'm going to read out here. And as I said here, that to construct a plane scale, the following are required. Number one is representative fraction. Number one is representative fraction, or we call it RF, as we have here. And representative fraction is expressed in this form, as we have it, that RF is equal to length on drawing over actual length of object. Length on drawing over actual length of object. Whenever you want to draw, you have to consider the dimensions of the object that you want to draw. If dimensions are more than the size of the paper that is given to you or that you have, so you have to make use of scale. So by the time you make use of scale, maybe you the original length is 1000 millimeters, and look at the size of the paper, that this paper cannot contain this dimension given to me, and you choose to use, for example, you choose to use the 10 millimeters, representing let's say 1 meter. So 10 millimeters representing 1 meter, or 10 millimeters representing 5 centimeters. So I believe you understand what I'm saying. So that 10 millimeters is the length on drawing. So why the 5 centimeters is the actual length of the object, as expressed in this formula for representative fraction. And then, apart from the representative fraction, the second thing that you need is the maximum length. Maximum length of the maximum length that we have to show on the scale, maximum length that we have to show on the scale. And then we also have the length of scale, and length of scale is calculated with this formula, RF multiplied by its maximum length. And also the next thing that you need to know is the unit which it must represent. So the unit that the scale must represent, I'm talking about, may be asked to use the scale to show centimeters and millimeters, or meters and decimeters. So those are the unit that we are talking about. So I believe that with this brief explanation you have captured the information about the scale already. So as I said that we focus on the plane scale here, we are going to do the construction of plane scale as time goes on. So thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing and God bless you.